Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And welcome to the freshly renovated Comfort Suites in London, Ontario. This is room number 309. And it is August, peak summertime, peak season in Ontario. Just checked in, very friendly staff, no complaints whatsoever, very pleasant. And as I mentioned, this is room number 309. So this is a suite with a little kitchenette, which I will show you right now. This is my first time staying here. Never stayed here before. Little freezer, that's great. I love the coffee selection and tea as well. Beautiful. Everything apparently has been renovated recently. Microwave, very clean. It smells very clean. Yeah, first time staying here. I haven't stayed here before. I just wanted to give you guys a room tour, as I always do. From the outside, it looks decent. I mean, Comfort Inn or Comfort Suites, I guess they're like a budget, considered like a budget type of product. But I have to say, this room so far is very nice and very spacious. And here it connects to your bedroom with a little seat there, nice bed, king size bed. And then there's another TV right here. Very nice. Yeah, everything's new, everything is clean. So it definitely helps. Not sure what that's all about. I forgot to ask if there's a pool here, but I'm gonna find out soon. I don't think so. Anyway, is this a pull-out couch? I don't know. It may be, it may not be. Let's see. Yeah, it's a pull-out couch. Amazing. Yeah, have you guys stayed here before? What's your experience been at the Comfort Inns or Comfort Suites hotels? I have to say this, I'm very impressed with this hotel room so far. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel related videos from all over the world. Peace.